Hey YouTube, welcome back to Rod Go Works. In this video, we're going to make a gas tank out of a gallon of ketchup. Real fast, I just want to say thank you and welcome to all of our new subscribers. I know it's been a while since now and the last time I put up a video, however we have done some work. But there were some issues filming and we couldn't really make a whole entire video out of it, so here's a quick montage. The gas tank is going to go at the front of the go-kart. So we're going to use this piece as a grill, and we're going to use a chunk of the hood to hide it. To turn this ketchup can into a gas tank, we're going to use the same principles that we use to turn an olive can into a ketch can. But first, we got to get the ketchup out of here. Does that seem even?
No.
All right. Let's get some ketchup out of this thing. We got a clean can, a 3/4 inch to 3/4 inch hose adapter, a 3/4 inch cap, and a 1/4 inch nipple. So let's put this thing together. Rod Go Kart gas tank. Now all we have to do is mount it. We're going to mount it behind the grill. I think it looks cool, and it kind of gives the grill a purpose for being here. We're going to make a mount using this piece of angle iron and some rods. FedEx man is here. I think we got parts.
Alright, so you're gonna have to do some of the positioning.
Alright.
The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a roadless fight without an alibi. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. Without an alibi. Took my innocence without an alibi. Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're all up till dawn. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a roadless fight without an alibi. Took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a roadless fight without an alibi. Took my innocence without an alibi.
Well, that's all the major work done. How do you guys like the front end? Maybe in the next video, we can take it for a spin. Like the video if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from us. I'll see you guys in the next one.